How to generate AI art using Mage Space. First, open your web browser and go to Mage Space. Then, sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Mage Space dashboard, click the prompt box on the home page. Next, type a description of the image you want to create. For example, enter a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, neon lights, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed 4K digital art. After entering your prompt, choose an AI model if multiple models are available. You can also adjust settings like the image size or aspect ratio if you want. Now, click the Generate button. Mage Space will create one or more AI-generated images based on your prompt. Once the images appear, browse through the results and click on the one you like best. If you're not satisfied, edit your prompt or click Generate again to create a new version. Finally, click the Download or Export button to save your favorite AI artwork to your computer. That's it. You've successfully generated AI art using Mage Space. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, image generation tips, and easy tech guides.